Hello, teacher. My name is Juan Carlos Merlando Tenorio. I am a student Radiología e Imágenes Diagnósticas. I am curso inglés A2. In this opportunity, I'm going to share with you an age and delicious recipe that is huevos rancheros y plátanos tostados. We have the following ingredients: 4 eggs, 5 ranch, 1 long onion, 1 tomato, 1 white onion, 2 green banana. We start with the preparation. We have all the ingredients. Peel, chop the celery, chop the onion, chop the tomato, scramble the eggs in a single bowl. Fry, fry the sauce and onions together with the add the tomato, add the santai in and pan. We are frying the plátano. Being the sofrito, at its point we cook it in low fire. We add the eggs and we mix like until they are in their point according to the taste. On the other hand, we crush the plátano and fry them. We 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 fry all 5 touch of salt to our recipe is ready to enjoy.